Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling developer mode so Discord exposes ID you can copy. This is required. Open the app, tap your profile icon to reach user settings, then appearance. Once there, toggle developer mode on. Make sure to wait briefly for settings to save. You'll know it's active when the switch stays highlighted. Enabling developer mode lets you long press and copy ID rather than relying on desktop tools, which is faster on mobile and avoids extra apps. Once developer mode is on, navigate to the server list and find the server icon you need. Tap and hold that icon to open the context menu. You should see Copy ID as an option. Tap Copy ID and the server ID is placed on your clipboard. If you need the channel or message ID instead, open the specific channel, long press the channel name or a message, and choose Copy ID. These long press actions are how mobile surfaces ID without desktop. To finish, paste the ID into a note app to confirm it's a long numeric string. That verifies success. If you don't see Copy ID, make sure developer mode is still on, then fully close and reopen Discord to refresh the UI. If problems persist, log out and back in or reinstall the app. This often restores missing menu items. Remember, ID are stable identifiers useful for bots, support requests, and debugging permissions, so keep them private when sensitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.